Ubazem move on. This is page 362 in the Maimorim discourses of Tovshin Lamed Lamed Aleph 7071. Ubazem move on. With this we'll understand the error, the mistake of the ones that figure b'dimyenom, that they figure, that says that they error in their image, in their understanding of maxim echi tochaniya shel hashgacha pratis. How is it appropriate? The union of divine providence? How is it appropriate? Divine providence in every detail. Which is the lowest world, which is the world of deed, which is this lowest spiritual world, is completely not within his range. So how is it appropriate that he is involved in every detail in the divine providence? The cause for their error is the mitzvah that I also say that about droga shaykh leimer sheila masiyot tachten yesef. When we look at it from the perspective that the chain of creation is with sequences, one higher than the other or one lower than the other, so then it's appropriate to say that Eila Masiyah is the lowest world. The same thing is also in addition to looking at it from the sequences of worlds and levels, so Eila Masiyah is the lowest world. So then we can say that it's more distant than other worlds. And therefore the question is, how is it appropriate divine providence? The same thing is also when we look at the perspective from the vessels. From the vessels there's a difference, a higher and lower. The vessels that contain the revelations, as they are in Eilam HaNikudim, which there are 10 vessels. In Eilam HaAkudim there's one vessel and 10 lights. 10 attributes, which is 10 revelations in one vessel. But when it comes to Eilam HaNikudim, which is 10 vessels and 10 revelations, so then we could say that there's 10 vessels, so there's already a sequence. There's a higher and there's a lower. Which a sequence, in the spiritual sense, marks a higher and a lower in a physical sense. Where does the higher and lower come? When there's a sequence. The same way that we speak about Zman, time. So we say, where is the union of time? So we say that Melamed Shahoyo Seder Zmanim Lifnei Zed. In other words, we ask the question, how is it that the attribute of generosity, Chesed, comes and then comes Gvura? So he says that this sequence of Seder, a sequence that one comes before the other, so this already marks a source for time, which the time is based on an order of earlier and later. So therefore, this all comes because of the sequence of the attributes in the higher worlds. So this is the foundation of time, which is earlier and later, which this is what time is all about.
But it still doesn't explain